everyone, welcome back to Jemma Cooking. I'm Jemma. Today let's make a slacker's food without fire. You just need to prepare an electric rice cooker and ingredients. Prepare the rice first. 2 cups of white rice, a cup of brown rice, a small cup of black rice. Black rice will have beautiful purple and healthier. Marinate spareribs with prepared barbecue sauce for more than 20 minutes. Cut the beans. Cut the broccoli into pieces. Decided carrots. Decided potatoes. Cut the fried tofu into cubes. Slice the bamboo shoots. Slice the sausage. I prepared 2 kinds of sausage this time. Finally, let's make a simple sauce. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of honey. Put the rice into rice cooker. Spread all the ingredients, blend on the rice. Finally, put the ginger silence in the spareribs to get rid of fishy. Press the cooking button. Pour the sauce in and take out of the ginger silence. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Mix well before eating. The biggest feature of this dish, you don't have to adjust the heat, and you don't need to stand in front of the kitchen for 30 minutes. Save the time and you can read a book or have a cup of coffee or tea. Enjoy your time, just wait. Ingredients are unlimited. You can join in whatever you like, or food you have in your fridge. The steaming pot rice is finished. Please try. Thank you for watching. Follow my channel and will not miss the update video. If you have any questions, let me know. See you soon. Bye.